We're just going to play a game, so I'll get this one in. Just one game, if I get time. If people don't block the camera up. Smile, smile. It was better watching the knock-up actually. I haven't done a decent shot yet. He didn't smile.
Yeah.
They just walk straight in front of the cameras. They can see I'm filming. Bad service from Joe. You probably can't see it on this film, but there's a hell of a lot of spin going on the serves and that, and this Chinese guy doesn't really have a problem with them. Oh, I don't believe this. I don't believe it. Sorry about that, can't stop people walking by. The problem is there's no Specsavers here, so they can't get their eyes tested, so they can see I'm filming. Thank you, thank you, Mrs. Oh, sorry. I'm supposed to be having a knock myself in a minute, but Joe's got my back. So it looks as if I'll have to not have a knock up. That looked quite nice walking by. I think the first game's finished, so it wasn't that good a game actually, so I'm going to cut this out now and see what happens.